What's up? I'm Alan East. I'm not really the practical joke kind of guy. Today's Thanksgiving, November 28th, 2013. And I don't know. I don't think I have much to be grateful for. The way I look at it is, we all fuck up once in a while. Oh, we're self-destructive enough to want to fuck up on purpose, knowing the outcome. Yeah. Well, so I go urban foraging. I find all these lotto tickets. They've been redeemed. So I pick one up. Yeah, $50 winner. And I go over where we hang out. Me and some friends. This one gentleman, he is just trying to be my friend, and he's like trying to hook me up with a deal on this and that, and a little bit more of whatever it is that he thought that he was going to hook me up with. Well, he's in the mix, and I start to scratch the lotto ticket. So, the illusion of, yeah, and I don't have my specs. I can't see. Well, I asked him to read the ticket. Please, can you read the ticket and tell me if I won? Because I get the feeling that I won, and I'm going to be so happy. So I give him the ticket, and he turns his back, reads the ticket. He goes, no, I can't see. Well, he's got glasses on. I'm sure he can see. So he walks away, and he says, the ticket's not a winner. Okay, I know the outcome of the story. Oh, Thanksgiving. So just to make sure that I wasn't losing my mind, I asked him one more time. Yo, did I win? Tell me, what did I win? He goes, oh, I threw the ticket away. I go, what? You threw the ticket away? Where is it? So I go and hit up the area where he supposedly threw it away, and nobody knows anything about the ticket. They're all looking at me like, what does that mean anyway? I'm Alan East. See my flippin' bird ring. That's all I gotta say, dude. Good to see. Yo, Sound Daddy.